Hello everyone. This is part 2 of a project. I will put a link to part 1. Um, this part actually is dedicated to the camera. What happened is I have this Android head unit and it is actually equipped with a Lanewatch. It's compatible, so all I have to do is give a video source to this right here, and the Lanewatch will be working properly. Now, as I mentioned before, my Honda Civic 2016 is a LX, and the original mirror did not come with a camera. Now let me show you what I was trying to do actually. For those of you who are thinking of buying an EX or a Touring, I already did a rear view camera and try to use it. I already did, but the problem is actually, and I bought it with the harness, and I was trying to rewire everything. Now there's two groups of wires. This group is for the power and the heat for the mirror itself. My LX is not heated, so two of these are not going to be used, and the other three that will be used are the same color on the door. Now the other group, which got me confused, 6 wires. Usually cameras are 4 wires, 2 negative and positive for the power and negative and positive for the signal. Now this comes with 6 wires. I went to the dealer, I got some sketches, I tried to find out which one is which, but I wasn't able to, and then I actually made a judgment and I found out that this thick black one is the negative for the video signal, and this thin black one is the positive, and this red is the positive for the power, and the white one is the negative for the power. Now the only two that I didn't use are the green and the brown, which are right here in the harness in the middle. The green right here and the brown on the other side. Oh, my bad. Actually, the green and the they got me confused. Hold on. Sorry, I used the red. The white one here is the negative of the power, and the red one here is the positive. These are the power ones, and the two black ones in the back are the negative and positive for the signal. Now the two that I didn't use are the green and the yellow one. I was able to get a video signal, but unfortunately all I got is a red screen with a message. It says aiming failed. Now, and I googled and I YouTubed, and I found out that there have to be a procedure to aim the camera. So what I did, I took this mirror apart and I was trying to open this to see if I can bypass it, which I couldn't because this is sealed. Now I had an idea which to change this camera with another one that will fit in this piece right here. Or plan B is to get a camera. First, actually, plan A, I got this one, which I'm going to use right now and see if it aimed correctly. If it does, I'll probably keep it in the car. But I'm planning to do is, it's really hard to do in one hand. What I'm planning to do is like this. There you go. And then put that washer up here. This is almost a perfect fit. Right here. And it's a really good camera. I've used them before as a backup cameras. They are awesome. And they come with this. I think you can cut the green to remove the camera roller. Now in our case we're gonna use it as a rear side view camera, not a backup camera, so this is really handy here. This is plan A. Plan B is to use one of these cameras, and this is a good brand also. Use one of these that will be in the bottom. Actually, this is designed to be used backup / side view camera. This has a, as they say, 360 degrees adjustment, the angle. So plan B is to use my side view mirror right there, but to put this camera in the bottom. I'm not sure how that goes. It all depends on plan A. If plan A succeeds with this is really being secured here, then I think I'm gonna go with plan A. I'm gonna change the cover, put the red cover on this mirror. I'll be back with updates. This is actually a follow-up part with yesterday's video. I want to give you guys a little update. I decided to go with plan B. If you guys remember, plan A didn't work at all. The first camera that I used with the original EX model, the aiming was really bad. It was off, so I decided to go with this camera, the one 360, as they say, adjustable, with the little Allen key right here. The problem is first I chose to put it right here as they showed on the picture, but again with this one, even with me pushing it all the way to the up, that didn't give me the correct angle for the Lanewatch. So what I did instead, actually, I put it right here. I'll show you guys later the results, and then I want to show you guys what you need to do to get this part. All I did is actually I popped the little cover. This is my daughter. Maluke, say hi.
Hi.
Hello everyone. And then at the bottom here there is a this piece. You pop it out.
Oops.
This piece easily. I use this little, if I can, this little, snap-on tool that I have. Just take it easy with it. First I popped this one. I thought that I need to take it apart as like the other one, but then I found out that I really don't need to. So I'm gonna put this one back. No, Baba. I'm gonna put this one back together. And this is the camera right here, and this is the wire. Baba, wait. Oh, sorry. After you pop this piece, there is a 3 screws here. You take off these white ones here. You take them off, and then you'll be able to disconnect. No, Baba, no, wait. Disconnect the 2 parts, and then I ran the video camera from here to the bottom. Let me show you here on to the bottom, and from the bottom to this piece, and from this piece I was able to take this out and you see it's coming right here, and then here all I had to do is actually make a little hole here because that's gonna be in the door panel. Let me finish up what I'm doing. Actually, I decided to cut the white one, so I don't need to use the roller for the camera. I don't like it in the backup or anywhere. I don't like it, so I cut it off, and I'll give you guys an update in a little bit. Alright, here's halfway through. Sorry guys, I'm filming at night because that's the only time that I have to work on this car. Now what I am going to do is I'm gonna try the negative and positive for the camera. I'm going to try to get it from the door itself. Well, actually I tested these wires, and the green one and this harness for the window control, the green one is always on, and I'm gonna assume the black one is the negative of the body. So I already moved some of the tape here. I'm gonna try to slice that coating from two different spots, like the black one here and the green one here, so just to make sure that they're away from each other. And I'm gonna hook the negative and positive to these two and tape them. I'll get back to you guys with results.